Good day. Here I'm gonna show you how do I install pin in Resin Kit. Example from this Sazabi propellant tank that I'm about to show you. Let's start. Cut off the noob marks, sand the surface that you cut off from the noob mark from, and then smoothen it. Normally I use 800 grit. And then I pin the middle where I'm about to drill holes to install metal rods. Let's drill. Any depth that you want. Once you're done, make sure you place in super glue first before you place in the metal rods. Cut off the leftovers, and then from here you need to cut the tip of the metal rods. Make sure your nipples facing downward. Sorry. Make sure your nipples facing downwards when you cut it, so the tip will be sharp. And then do the same for the opposite. Mirror it where you're about to attach both sides. Center hole, drill at the center hole. Drill. Once you're done, as simple as just try attach it on. Voila, settle. There you go.